Hi, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick one. This is about how to clear the formatting of Google Doc. Now, have you ever pasted something in from the web, like you've copied and pasted a paragraph or a sentence, and when you paste it in, it's got all different sizing and all different fonts and everything, and it kind of drives you nuts, right? This is the tool you need. So I have pasted in some text of some information on the Great Wall of China, and you can see right now it's a different font. It's different size from my other font. Here's my normal font, and it is, you can tell up here, it's Roboto and 11. And when you come into this section, it's Arial and it's 9. So it kind of makes you nuts that the formatting is different. Clear formatting is really easy to do. All you do is highlight the text that is in the wrong format, and then you come up to format and you just go down to clear formatting and watch what happens with my text. It is reset. Even the color of my text here for the section title is changed to the format of my document, which is red, a form of red. And then my all my text is reset to match Roboto and 11, reset to match the rest of my document. So super quick and easy. Um, Something that has annoyed me through the years, and I love clearing that formatting and making it match my text. All right, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.